Here we come to the elevator at Steward Observatory at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a US elevator with circle buttons, completely original. No bell. Lantern is burned out. Let's go down to 1. Passing 2,000 pounds. It's got an annoying fan. Let's see if up works. Nope. We will go up to 5 now. Button has been replaced. Let's listen to the motor. We're stopping. Going up? Which floor? Which floor?
3.
It's a very nice elevator.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I love US Circle Fixtures. We'll take this on another ride. This is awesome. Let's return to lobby. And the door closes when you push the button. We'll get our cab view, 2,000 pounds, like I said before. I think all the floor numbers might be burned out except for the down. Down to accept the down arrow. ADA compliant phone. Very nice US elevator. This is a hydraulic. Likely installed in the 1980s. But it may have been a modernization of something very vintage. We are on the ground. Let's get one list. This is an older button. Or it could have been a replacement. I think that's a replacement button. We'll take this on one more ride and we'll listen to the motor. Around 5. Oh, classic leveling. And let's just see if the door close button works. It does. Let's see what happens when we go to the lobby. It might not work actually. Yeah, this is a very nice elevator. Likely installed or modernized in the 1980s. If this is an original install, this is probably from the early 1980s. Let's watch the button go out. And I love these fixtures. US Circle buttons are awesome. There are 2, and let's watch the classic leveling. Awesome. Anyways, here it goes. that's going to be it.